Hello, my name is Ben, and on this YouTube channel I document my own print-on-demand journey. Today I'd like to talk about the website Tostadora and the fact that I've made my first 10 sales on Tostadora. So Tostadora is actually a Spanish print-on-demand website. I think I talked about it on this channel before. I started to upload, I think it was April, maybe March, and I did it when Flying Upload introduced or included Tostadora into the websites that they support. If you don't know what Flying Upload is, it is a print-on-demand upload tool, which works a little bit different than other print-on-demand upload tools because you don't have to work with Excel files. It all works pretty well in a print-on-demand special software dashboard. So you install the software and you don't need to create Excel files, as it is the case with so many other print-on-demand website upload tools. So yeah, as you can see here, Tostadora was added together with Printify, so they are adding constantly to the pool of websites that they support. And for me, because I used Flying Upload anyway, it was a no-brainer to continue to upload to Tostadora as well, because if you already have lots of designs, all I needed to do, because I had all the descriptions and the titles already in Flying Upload of these designs, all I had to do was really to click upload to Tostadora without adding a title again, the keywords again, because it was all saved in the file that Flying Upload generates for each design. So I didn't have to create it all again. You know, if you do it manually, you have to go into each website, upload it again, type in your title and so on. But because I did all that already for Redbubble and Spreadshirt and merch and everything, I could just click on upload to Tostadora and it did it all for me without a lot of work. So yeah, I'm constantly uploading to Tostadora, not as much as to the other websites, because the upload process, I wouldn't say it's painful. It's definitely much easier with Flying Upload than if you would do it manually. But the website Tostadora, they actually require you to create a shop, and then you have an upload limit per shop, but you can have as many shops as you want. So initially the upload limit is 750 products to each shop, which isn't that much. But then if they sort of approve your shop or verify your shop, they give you 2,000 products, right? So I haven't quite understood what it means to have a verified shop or not, because all of these designs can still be found on the marketplace. So it just appears that some of my shops have an upload limit of 750 products and some have an upload limit of 2,000 products. It's just a little bit more work to take care of that and to create new shops when you have to upload, or when you want to upload more designs or products, which is why I'm not too active on Tostadora, but I'm still uploading constantly, which basically translates into some sales as well. So this video is really about talking about my 10 sales and making sure that you consider uploading to Tostadora as well, because even though I only have 10 sales in the 2 or 3 months that I've now been uploading, it's becoming more and more, I feel. And as with every print-on-demand organic website, when you do upload, you know, they all stay online and you're constantly adding to your digital assets online. So because it's free to upload, and if you have the designs anyway, for me it was a no-brainer to upload. So yeah, I've got 10 sales now and you can see them here. So the first sale actually started, you can see here that I registered on Tostadora on the 7th of March. Around a month later I had my first sale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and the 10th sale was today. So I thought it would be worth, well, today is the 25th of July, so depending on when you see that video, I have had now 4 sales in July, for example. I've had 3 in July. I've had 3 in June. I've had 1 in May, 3 in April, and that's it. Yeah, So it's just what it is. It's not massive, but at least, at least it's selling. And I guess, the more you have online, the more you will sell. And it's entirely passive for me, unless, of course I have to create a new shop from time to time, but I don't have to, if I don't want to upload anymore. All the designs which are online, they stay online, they can generate sales. And what you need to know, this website is a Spanish website, but for example, I upload to their UK website, and it all depends on which country you live, I guess. I think it feels like all the marketplaces are related, because sometimes I make a sale in Spain, it's sort of a Spanish website, so sometimes I get the message that I've made a sale in English, sometimes I get it in Spanish. To me, it doesn't really matter. I only upload in English language. I feel that they get translated automatically, so I don't need to care about that. I don't need to care about anything here. I just upload. It's very similar to any other print-on-demand website as well. The only difference for me personally is that, I have to create these shops all the time. If I've uploaded, as soon as I've uploaded 2,000 design products, 2,000 products, so that could be just 50 designs, for example. Then I have to create a new shop. But as I said, you can have a lot shops, as many as you want, really. Okay, that's really everything for today. Just wanted to encourage you to consider uploading to that website, especially if you're using an automation tool, and also to motivate you that, you don't need to do any marketing to make print-on-demand sales. This is certainly not a website where you can make tons of sales like you could do on Spreadshirt or on Merch by Amazon, but it all adds to it, and if you have a few subscriptions, the designs or the sales from these websites like this one here, or maybe Society 6, for example, they can pay for some of your subscriptions, which is quite nice. So you basically get a subscription for free if you make a few sales here and there, in addition to your top selling platforms like, for me, Spreadshirt and Merch by Amazon. So hopefully you liked the video. If you did, then please smash the like button. And if you want to follow me on the print-on-demand journey, then subscribe to the channel. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye!